Tired of Basecamp's task management leaving you feeling a bit disorganized? Today, we're unlocking next-level productivity by connecting Trello's powerful visual boards with Basecamp's robust communication features using Zapier. First, head over to Zapier.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's free to start. Click on Create Zap. This is where the magic happens. In the Trigger section, search for and select Trello. This means Trello will initiate the automated process. Choose your trigger. A popular option is New Card if you want tasks to automatically transfer when created in Trello, or Card Move to List if you want the task to transfer after being moved to a specific list. Now, connect Zapier to your Trello account and select the specific board you want to integrate with Basecamp. Next, in the Action section, search for and select Basecamp 3. This is where you'll set up what happens in Basecamp when the Trello trigger is activated. Choose an action. A common choice is create a to-do. This will create a new to-do item in your Basecamp project. Connect Zapier to your Basecamp account, then select the specific Basecamp project and to-do list where you want the Trello cards to be created as to-dos. Now, map the information from your Trello card to the corresponding fields in your Basecamp to-do. For example, map the Trello card name to the Basecamp to-do title and the Trello card description to the Basecamp to-do description. Before finalizing, test your Zap to make sure the information is transferring correctly. Give your Zap a descriptive name and toggle the switch to turn it on. And there you have it, Trello and Basecamp working together to keep your projects organized and your team aligned. Enjoy.